Hi everyone, my name's Paul Chang and thank you for attending the webinar today with Why Choose Marketing Cloud. Um, my name's Paul Chang, as I said. I'm from AFDigital. Just before I start, I'd like to get you involved with the demo today or with just any communications with AFDigital and myself. Feel free to go to our Facebook pages and Twitter pages, and also there you can communicate and work and talk to us. We've got some up and coming webinars as well, which would be great for you to attend. So we're doing social and we're doing Marketing Cloud webinars. So there's a list. You can always go to our website, www.afdigital.com/events, where we'll have all the events listed and you'll be able to register. But if you don't find time to register, subscribe to our YouTube and you'll be able to watch all our webinars that we have already produced there, so you can continue to reference them at your leisure. Great, this is our safe harbor testimonial. It essentially just talks about how you should only look at making decisions based on products that are existing today and also not on any forward-thinking products. So base your decisions on actual facts. Okay, great. So my agenda today is my introduction, why choose Marketing Cloud, and how to operationalize Marketing Cloud. And then I'll leave some time for Q&A. So yeah, my name's Paul Chang. I'm a principal consultant at AFDigital. I was the first to bring ExactTarget customers in Sydney, so I was with part of the acquisition into ExactTarget and then Salesforce. So I've been using the platform since 2009. I've got over 15 years experience in customer experience and automation, and I have a deep in CRM knowledge of Salesforce. I would classify myself as a technology enthusiast, and I've spent the last 7 years helping large companies adopt marketing automation at scale with the latest technology. So yeah, and I, as I said, used to work for Salesforce as well, managing a team who would help customers get the best out of the platform. So yeah, that's me. A bit about AFDigital. We're a trusted customer experience partner. So we help our clients build smarter customer journeys through agile transformation, scalable marketing operations, and marketing technology consulting. So what that means is we're very much an agile transformational partner who can implement the technology of Salesforce, and we can also operationalize that. We are a marketing team who can also start to build content and work with you to deliver the content to your customers. We're a gold consulting partner, and the clouds we work on is Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, which we're discussing today, and Community Cloud. Some of our trusted household brands across APAC and globally. We've got Qantas, Audi, we've worked with Stockland, Bank of Philippines in the Philippines. As you can see there, we're based out of Singapore, the Philippines, and Australia. As I said before, we're not just a technology partner, we're also a full service digital agency, so we're able to help customers achieve responsive email templates, publish the right content on social media, bring the right content to the blogs, bring reporting and insights to be able to drive some more informed decision making, and automate to build that smarter customer journeys. And in tailoring that, the one-to-one advertising, where we target individuals with relevant ads using your CRM data. Packages. So we at AFDigital feel that customers are always looking to get on the platform as quick as possible. So we've come up with these packages that allow you to be set up quite quickly within each of the clouds, so that you're getting the most out of your investment. And we can always augment your team with a TeamX or a SprintX type model where we can help operate and operationalize. Okay, let's jump straight into it. So Marketing Cloud. So what is it? Marketing Cloud is a platform that delivers relevant, personalized journeys across channels and devices. So really that's the key. It's really understanding the way you can engage with your customers in how they would like to be engaged. So it enables marketers to deliver the right message at the right time throughout all phases of the relationship. We need to take a look at that and look at each life cycle phase to understand how you're communicating with your customers and whether you're engaging with them at the time that they would like to be engaged. And that's what Marketing Cloud would be able to provide you. Marketing Cloud includes integrated solutions for customer journey management. So you can email, you can SMS them through your mobile, work with them or communicate through social, web personalization, and advertising. So creating all content, using those channels, and then having the data to analyze that, which will then allow you to have every imaginable customer interaction and engagement and guiding customers on their one-to-one journeys with your brand. So it's much easier and more effective. So that's Marketing Cloud. Let's look at what Marketing Cloud allows you to. It allows you to plan, personalize, and optimize customer journeys in real time. So realistically, it's the age of the customer. You really need to understand the customer at the time they want to be engaged with. And that's what Marketing Cloud, the power has. It allows you to then create journeys that you're interacting with them at the time, and that's real time. It allows you to get more insights into your customers' online behavior. Understanding your customers' online behavior will allow you to be more relevant and more targeted. Map customer journeys across multiple channels and devices in every part of the customer lifecycle stages. Again, different channels and different devices, whether it's email, whether it's SMS, whether on their mobile, whether on their laptop. It allows you to communicate the right message at the right time. Nurture your customers from when they research to when they purchase and ultimately become advocates. So Marketing Cloud allows you to then nurture your customers at the discovery phase when they're searching online, they're searching through social media channels, to when they purchase and ultimately then become advocates and complete the full circle where they're praising your brand on social media. So let's look at Marketing Cloud and how it all fits together. Marketing Cloud has the studios and it has the builders. So the differences between the two, each studio is a channel that you can engage with your customers, and the builders allows you to have the technology to be able to engage with those customers on those channels. All of this is centralized around Journey Builder. Journey Builder is the key to allowing you to engage with your customers at the time that they need to in real time. So that's something to keep in mind when you are thinking about choosing Marketing Cloud, is how do you engage with your customers with the different channels, and how easy is it to set up, and how holistic the view is when you are dealing with customers with SMS or email. Great, so a lot of customers, this is more of an impactful statement. So what this means is $62 billion in lost revenue per year from poor customer experience. So what that means today is that you now need to be more about the customer experience and how they're engaging with your brand rather than what your brand can do for them. A lot of customers are researching or going online. They're expecting to be having a seamless experience regardless of being in-store or online. So you need to be able to power that. And so Marketing Cloud is going to allow you to enable that with your customers. What does that mean? It means about becoming and embracing the connected customer and really understanding from when they're unknown to how they're connecting with you. So Marketing Cloud will allow you to then understand your customer behavior, understand how they're engaging with you, and then you're able to then become more of a connected customer with them, and then you're able to send them and be more relevant and more targeted. If you think about it, it's the customer life cycle and each part of that life cycle that you need to understand and look at how you can look at opportunities and look at any gaps that exist. So how is the acquisition? What are you doing in onboarding? How are you going to continue to grow and engage with your customers once they are onboarded? How do you retain them so they're not lapsing? And how do you make them advocates of your brand? Marketing Cloud allows you to deep dive into each of these life cycles to provide each different touch points. So then what you are looking at is core strategies to enable this. Cross-channel customer journeys, looking at that data, leveraging that rich data that you have, and then refining and interacting with customers in real time. Journey Builder is going to allow you to do all of this, allows you to leverage that customer insight data, and then you can start to refine and interact with customers. What that would mean is that your lifetime value of a customer no longer needs to be kept high during acquisition. You can now build custom journeys at every part of the phase so that the lifetime value of your customers are continue to grow and continue to maintain their level of growth, be it through cross-sell, upsell initiatives, and essentially knowing how they're engaging with you as part of each part of that phase. What I want to show you here is really how our solution looks like in Marketing Cloud and how integrated everything can be and how easy the marketing team can utilize this to in order them to engage with their customers with the right channel. You can see that the company data will come into Marketing Cloud. If you've got the Salesforce CRM connector, that would be a native connector into Marketing Cloud. We'll import the files. We can create data extensions. Will then allow us to create a single customer view, segment that data, and then be able to target with Journey Builder through the different channels. They will then be able to come back to a page if they wish to update their preferences. Update the preferences. That gets all written back into Marketing Cloud, which can also get written back into your company CRM if required, or into Salesforce CRM. So really, this is a simplistic view of how a solution would look when you are working with Marketing Cloud and how you can start to leverage the rich data that you have in order to communicate with your customers on the right channel. Let's look at how seamless an experience can be when you are working into delivering that customer experience for your business. So let's look at Sarah. She's looking for a place to eat. We're going to look at the different phases or the different touch points that we would potentially talk to Sarah as we try to convert her. So Sarah is looking for a place to eat. She goes on Twitter. She searches on Facebook or Twitter, sorry, and then she does hashtag #GateFood. She does hashtag #city. If you've got the social listening tool, you can start listening to those types of hash words, and you can start promoting your brand, sending her a link to the website. She then comes to the website, she signs up for the loyalty program and promotions. She then instantly gets put into an email drip campaign. So this is now starting to learn more about Sarah and how she wants to be engaged. You can get her to update her preferences, download an app, and then you can ask her to follow you or share it on social. She's downloaded the app, she's engaging through that. She then sees a Facebook sponsored ad on Good Food, which is part of the brand that's promoting the great food. She then gets a push notification to reward herself with a discount to that venue. And then we take the in-store experience where then she's at the venue, she's having a great time, she eats the food that she wanted to, and then there's a drip campaign that goes out after she finishes the meal, and then about great time had, how she could then look at other activities, and then we can put her on a different email drip program which looks at recommendations on what else Sarah may be interested in. She loves that whole experience. She starts sharing on Facebook and Insta, and she's put hashtag awesome time had. To close the loop, you could do a surprise and delight SMS birthday message. But what you can see here, the different colors are really showing us the different channels that we've engaged with Sarah along the way. But to Sarah, this whole experience has been seamless. So it's really about understanding how the Marketing Cloud can provide you with this seamless experience for your customers with the right channel. So that's a holistic view. What also will help is be more relevant, and you know we're always, a lot of us have already gone way past the blast driven type communications that generally would probably bring back 0.5% conversions. Now we need to look at more sophisticated marketing and obviously generate more revenue from our digital marketing, and that's more behavior driven. Marketing Cloud allows you to understand the behavior, click behavior, the browse behavior of your customers to then allow it to decide what content should be put in front of those particular customers. It allows you then to really become more relevant. And what you want to start using is explicit data. You may get explicit data from your website. They may update some preferences, but you want to then use the implicit data, as mentioned, the email opens and clicks, for them to be able to then understand what their behavior. If we think about it, how many times have we gone back to update our preferences after we've signed up on a new page? So think about that when you are working on your strategy and understanding what are your customers interested in. Let's look at the implicit data to continue to enhance that experience, that if anything should change in the life cycle phase that they're in, then at least you're aware of it by the behavior that they're showing by interacting with your emails or your on your website. And then what you would want to build is a personalized recommendations content block, which will use all that behavior, maybe trends of how you understand your business, to then have that recommendation. And essentially, this will then allow you to have an email that's tailored to each different customer, rather than having the same fits all model. So looking at this, using Marketing Cloud, using the behavior, using the email metrics, using alias tags, will allow you to have this recommendations content blocks. Great, so that's Marketing Cloud and the benefits of why I would choose Marketing Cloud and how that could help enable you in working through your customer experience. So what I've done here is I've just put down 9 reasons why I choose Marketing Cloud. So the platform will definitely grow with your business. It's a very scalable platform. It allows you to engage with customers how they want to engage, how we discussed, whether it's through their mobile or through landing pages. It allows you to build and engage with human at the other end, and that's very important. You always need to remember that there's a human at the other end, and they would like to still be engaged the way they need to be engaged. And with Marketing Cloud, you can get all those insights to understand how that human at the other end would like to engage. Using the metrics and insights into real-time actions. So you don't need to be waiting a day or 2 days to see if someone's opening your email. Journey Builder allows you to see who's open, who's in the path or within that journey, and where they're at, and whether that path or that touch point is working and whether it needs to be changed. Salesforce are rapidly releasing awesome new features all the time, and I myself been using it since 2009, have seen a lot of changes, and it's become a lot more intuitive. It's more of a product for marketers. So yeah, it's awesome new features always coming. It integrates easily into the Salesforce ecosystem, and that's what you want. You want a tool that allows you to have everything integrated and provide you that 360 view of the customer, and not only the customer service or marketing team can see where that person is in part of the journey. Now everyone in the business are able to see where that person is when they're part of their journey. Leverage machine learning, so predictive intelligence, to deliver a unique experience for each individual customer. Fantastic to be able to then start using real AI in your marketing to deliver and drive right content, right time, and that will help with conversions. It's a sleek UI made for non-technical marketers. It is a great UI. It has developed. Content Builder is a fantastic tool. I suggest when you do start using Marketing Cloud, or you have using Marketing Cloud, to really get onto Content Builder and see how sleek that UI is now. And automation. Reduce time, allowing you to focus on the strategy and then the mundane day-to-day tasks. So really look at what you're doing in your role that you feel that can be automated, and Marketing Cloud can help and provide that automation. And this is just a lead nurture ROI calculation that you can go off and see whether it fits into your business and your model. What we've done here is that if we've got 500 leads per month coming through, and we put them through a nurture journey through Journey Builder, and we want 5% of them to convert, that's 25, and they go through to make a purchase. If our average order value is $200, then in a year we're looking at an additional 60K in revenue increase. So this is simple maths in order for you to understand how you can leverage Marketing Cloud to build automated customer journeys that allow you to engage with your customers at the time they need to. Great. And how to operationalize Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud is a fantastic tool, but you really need to get the buy-in from the business. So ensure that all the company understands the customer journey. What I mean by that is everyone who's touching a customer at any point in time needs to be part of the conversations about that customer journey and how those touch points should be created or interacted. Integrate Marketing Cloud into your BAU processes. So Marketing Cloud is a fantastic tool. As I said, you can automate quite a lot of things, and it allows you to look at the metrics insights so that you can take more step back and look at your strategy. Have an in-house Marketing Cloud champion. So this is really key, so you're not always dependent on anyone externally. You can always then start to develop and be more innovative, and you can start working with your team to start delivering more relevant one-to-one customer journeys using Marketing Cloud. Build a center of excellence in-house. So really think about all the different departments that you work with, whether it's the different journeys that are going to be created, but try to have a center of excellence that can keep it all aligned to the vision and to what the business is trying to achieve. Find partners to help you achieve operational scale. Utilize AI. So partners such as ourselves, AFDigital, we can help you understand how you can become more innovative using the platform and achieve this operational scale. We can also use the platform to its full capabilities. So if you've got the full Email Studio, Journey Builder, and other studios, continue to develop your skill set and understand how the potential. Maybe consult with your partners and see how you can get a strategy workshop. Get ROI by determining the right journeys to implement first. So this is really key. When you start working with Marketing Cloud, there's a lot of things that you can be doing, and you really want to start to understand what it is it's going to give you the most ROI in the first 3 months, so then you can start to develop more journeys after that. So really this ties into the use the crawl, walk, run model. And that will then allow you to really see the investment that you've taken with Marketing Cloud and take it to its full capabilities. All right, I was going to start and show you with just a quick short Journey Builder demo, so I might just do that really quickly. We don't have too much time, but I'll just show you my screen here. You can see here this journey we've got is website leads and how we're interacting with our customers. We get a website lead journey person comes in, they get a thank you email, we instantly add them to a campaign, and then we start pushing them through order ad audiences. But if I was to show you how quickly and easy it is to build journeys, I can start interacting and start bringing in, drag and dropping. So really the thinking behind Journey Builder is really to understand the entry point, how you want to engage in them, and what's the path to exit. Always keep that in mind. Don't lose sight of what the exit and what you're hoping to achieve out of the journey. That's a quick overview of Journey Builder. I might just stop there and just stop if we have any questions. Okay, I don't see any questions coming through, but feel free to reach out to me, contact me for a chat today. My name's Paul Chang. There's my number. Go to our website, afdigital.com. We're based in the Sydney city. Yeah, I'll give you back 2 minutes of your day. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate you joining me on this webinar. Please check out our webinar list of up and comings, and feel free to register at any time. Thanks a lot. Speak soon. Bye-bye.